Hey everyone, welcome to Everwell Life. And if you're watching this, you're probably looking for a way to freshen your breath and ditch that bad breath for good. Let's face it, bad breath can be embarrassing. It can make you feel awkward in social situations and even affect your confidence. It can make you self-conscious and even affect your social life. You might find yourself avoiding close conversations or feeling anxious about your breath. But the good news is, you don't have to live with it. There are plenty of solutions out there. There are actually a ton of effective home remedies and simple lifestyle changes that can make a world of difference. From what you eat to how you take care of your mouth, small changes can have a big impact. In this video, I'm going to share with you 13 of my favorite tips to combat bad breath. These tips are easy to follow and can be done with things you probably already have at home. We'll cover everything from simple oral hygiene practices to dietary changes. You'll learn how to brush and floss effectively and what foods to avoid, and even some surprising natural remedies you can try right at home. These remedies are not only effective but also safe and natural. Remember, having fresh breath isn't just about social confidence, it's about feeling good and being healthy. It's also an important part of overall health. Good oral hygiene can prevent more serious health issues down the line. So let's dive in and get you on the path to fresher breath. Stick around and you'll be smiling confidently in no time. All right, let's start with the basics. Oral hygiene is the foundation of a healthy mouth. You all knew this was coming: brushing and flossing. These are the cornerstones of any good oral care routine. It might seem obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people rush through their oral hygiene routine or skip it altogether. This can lead to a host of problems down the line. When you don't brush and floss regularly, tiny food particles get stuck between your teeth and on your tongue. These particles are not just unsightly, they can cause serious issues. These particles then start to break down, and guess what? They become a breeding ground for bacteria. That's right, they create that unpleasant odor we call bad breath. No one wants to be remembered for their bad breath. Brushing at least twice a day and flossing once a day is non-negotiable. This is the minimum effort required to maintain a healthy mouth. And don't just go through the motions. Really take your time to clean every surface of your teeth. Pay attention to those hard-to-reach areas. Think of it like this. You wouldn't just wipe down your countertops without cleaning up the crumbs first, right? The same principle applies to your teeth. Your mouth deserves the same level of care. Treat it with the respect it deserves. Trust me, taking those extra few minutes to brush and floss thoroughly can make a huge difference in how confident you feel about your breath. It's a small investment for a big return. Here's another simple yet powerful tip. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Think of water as a natural mouthwash. When you're dehydrated, your mouth produces less saliva. Saliva is super important because it helps wash away food particles and bacteria that can cause bad breath. Ever wake up in the morning with that dreaded morning breath? That's often due to dehydration during the night. So make it a habit to sip on water consistently throughout the day. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and aim to drink at least 8 glasses a day. Not only is it great for your overall health, but staying hydrated will also help keep your breath fresh and your mouth feeling clean. Now let's talk about some natural remedies that can work wonders for your breath. And the first one on the list is green tea. Green tea is packed with antioxidants, which are powerful compounds that can help neutralize odor-causing bacteria in your mouth. In fact, some studies have shown that green tea can be even more effective than chewing gum when it comes to temporarily reducing bad breath. So how can you incorporate green tea into your routine? It's simple. Enjoy a cup of warm or iced green tea after meals or whenever you need a breath refresh. You can also try chewing sugar-free gum with green tea extract for an extra boost of freshness on the go. Next up is apple cider vinegar, another natural ingredient with some impressive breath-freshening properties. This versatile liquid has been used for centuries in various home remedies, and its benefits extend far beyond just cooking. Apple cider vinegar is slightly acidic, which helps balance the pH level in your mouth. Maintaining the right pH balance is crucial for oral health. This is important because bacteria that cause bad breath thrive in an overly acidic environment. When the pH level is too low, these bacteria multiply rapidly, leading to unpleasant odors. By restoring a more neutral pH, apple cider vinegar can help create an environment that's less hospitable to those odor-causing bacteria. This makes it an effective natural remedy for maintaining fresh breath. To use apple cider vinegar as a mouthwash, simply mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water and gargle for 30 seconds. This simple routine can be easily incorporated into your daily oral hygiene practices. Just be sure to rinse your mouth with plain water afterward, as the acidity of apple cider vinegar can erode tooth enamel over time if left on your teeth. This final step ensures that you reap the benefits without any potential drawbacks. Let's talk about the food-breath connection. We all know that certain foods like garlic, onions, and coffee can leave our breath less than desirable. These foods contain sulfur compounds that break down during digestion and release that telltale odor. While it's perfectly fine to enjoy these foods in moderation, being mindful of your diet can definitely help minimize bad breath. Focus on incorporating plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. These foods are not only good for your overall health, but can also help neutralize odors and promote fresh breath. And remember, drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush away food particles and keeps your mouth hydrated. Did you know that some herbs have natural breath-freshening properties? It's true. Herbs like parsley, mint, and basil have been used for centuries to combat bad breath. Parsley is particularly effective because it contains chlorophyll, a natural compound that neutralizes odors. Mint, as you probably know, has a refreshing flavor that can instantly make your breath smell better. And basil contains antibacterial properties that can help kill odor-causing bacteria in your mouth. So, after a meal, try chewing on a few sprigs of parsley, mint, or basil. Not only will it freshen your breath, but it can also aid in digestion. Baking soda isn't just for baking. It's also a surprisingly effective remedy for bad breath. Remember how we talked about how an overly acidic environment in your mouth can contribute to bad breath? Well, baking soda comes to the rescue with its alkaline properties. Baking soda helps neutralize acids in your mouth, creating a more balanced pH level that's less friendly to odor-causing bacteria. To use baking soda as a mouthwash, simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a cup of warm water and swish it around in your mouth for 30 seconds. You can also add a pinch of baking soda to your toothpaste for an extra boost of freshness. Now let's talk about the gut-mouth connection. You might be surprised to learn that the health of your gut can actually impact your breath. Probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that live in your gut, play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. When the balance of bacteria in your gut is disrupted, it can lead to a variety of issues, including bad breath. Incorporating probiotic-rich foods into your diet, such as yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, can help restore a healthy balance of bacteria in your gut and may even improve your breath. You can also consider taking a probiotic supplement after consulting with your doctor. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are not only delicious and packed with vitamin C, but they can also help freshen your breath. How? Well, citrus fruits are natural saliva stimulants. Remember how we talked about the importance of saliva in washing away food particles and bacteria? The citric acid in citrus fruits helps promote saliva production, keeping your mouth feeling clean and your breath smelling fresh. So next time you're looking for a refreshing snack, reach for an orange, grapefruit, or a glass of lemon water. Your breath will thank you. Last but not least, don't underestimate the importance of regular dental checkups. Even if you're diligent about your oral hygiene routine, there might be underlying dental issues contributing to your bad breath. Gum disease, cavities, and other dental problems can all lead to persistent bad breath. Visiting your dentist at least twice a year for cleanings and checkups can help catch and treat these issues early on, preventing them from impacting your breath and overall oral health. Remember, your dentist is your partner in achieving and maintaining a healthy, confident smile. Don't be afraid to ask them any questions you have about your breath or oral health. So there you have it, 13 powerful home remedies and tips to help you say goodbye to bad breath for good. Remember, fresh breath is about more than just masking odor. It's about taking care of your oral health and overall well-being. By incorporating these simple tips into your daily routine, you can feel more confident in your interactions and enjoy the benefits of a healthier, fresher mouth. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more health and wellness advice. Until next time, stay healthy and keep smiling.